Today we're gonna do my Aunt Julieling's Vietnamese chicken meatballs. They're delicious. I love bringing them anytime I go to an outing because they're the first thing to go. She introduced them to me back in 2004 when I was living with her in Germany. I'm telling you, they're easy, they're exotic, and they're delicious. Let's get cooking.
For this recipe, you'll need ground chicken, shallots, Thai chili, lime, lemongrass, cilantro, fish sauce, sugar, black pepper, and some tiger sauce.
All right, once you've put your ground chicken in a bowl, you're gonna wanna pat dry the chicken because you're gonna have excess water that you do not want in your meatballs. So put a paper towel in there and just kind of pat dry it. Looks like that, kind of nasty. And then we're going to throw in the rest of the stuff. So I did about a handful of cilantro, 1 chili pepper. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add that in. I love spicy food. I did 1 tablespoon of lemongrass and about 1.5 tablespoons of a shallot. It was about a half a shallot because it's so big. Get all this in there, perfect. Put that over here. And today, I'm not gonna use my hands because my mom had hissy fit when she saw my last video and said, I can't believe you use your hands to marinate the flank steak. So once you've mixed your cilantro, your shallots, the red pepper, and whatever else I said, don't remember, you're gonna do the fish sauce. Fish sauce is not for everybody, so feel free to substitute it for soy sauce. My brother swears he can smell this stuff a mile away and won't touch it with a 10-foot pole if it's in a recipe. You're gonna wanna mix in the fish sauce really, really well. Once you get it mixed in really well, and your mixture looks kind of like that, add in a little bit of cracked pepper. The recipe calls for white pepper because it's a white protein. I don't like the flavor of white pepper. It smells like bad breath to me, so I use black pepper. I know a lot of people don't like black pepper in their white meat, but oh well, to each their own. Okay, now it's time to make the balls. Once your pan is hot, you're gonna wanna drizzle a little bit of oil. Sometimes I use canola. Today I'm gonna use coconut. I learned a trick over the years that if you dip your spoon in some hot oil, it helps, or it prevents the chicken mixture from sticking to it. Oh, I almost forgot. Sugar. This is where the sugar comes in. I'm gonna sprinkle that on the plate. And then I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of sugar in it. All right, now they're sizzling. And we're gonna wait to see if they're seared enough to turn. Yes, they are. See that color? Once you've seared at least 2 of the sides, I'm gonna actually finish this off in the oven because I don't wanna burn them. Now that I've cheated and I finished them off in the oven, they've reached an internal temperature of 160. It's time to let them rest and plate them. And now we're done plating it. Bon appetit. Hope you like it.